Right, we're cutting across to news coming in from Chandigarh. Four-story building collapses in Sector 17. The two sets of buildings, in fact, were very close to a Mehfil restaurant, which collapsed. It was a 60-year-old building. Owner noticed cracks in three main pillars, after which it was evacuated and the building was closed for entry and passage was blocked off for any kind of traffic. There you have visuals there. Shocking visuals to show two buildings in Delhi, in Chandigarh, that really comes down to rubble. Building was closed for nearly 6 years, rented out by a company very recently, and we hear that this entire building comes crashing down like a pack of cards, and that's what we see in this video itself. Of course, very shocking to see. Thankfully, no injuries or casualties has been reported, but this is Sector 17, Chandigarh. Let me cut across to Kamaljeet joining us for more on that. Kamaljeet, shocking visuals to see massive buildings, multiple storied buildings that fall down like a pack of cards. It was vacant for 6 years, only recently given out on rent. What happened?
A four-story building in Chandigarh, Sector 17C, came crashing down early this morning. This is just approximately at 7 o'clock this morning. This is an area which was identified as unsafe. Because, remember, the cracks had really come in. The owner did alert the authorities. They had moved the application. And since then, this particular building came down early this morning. The entire process began on 29th when the cordon was really done here. So this is where you can see this is a prime area. And this is a sector, what you see is Sector 17, one of the most iconic places. And this is the building which was in the process of being declared unsafe. But remember, it was early in the morning. Nobody was around. There's obviously infrastructure loss, but no loss of life. Nobody's been injured. Early this morning, there wasn't really anybody around because remember, these are shops which open only later in the day. But this is where there were only few witnesses to it. The guards as well as the tea stall owners. But clearly, now is the video evidence being recorded by Chandigarh police. The process of removing all this will be done. But meanwhile, a heightened sense of alert right here in Sector 17. With camera person Chandi Ram, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Chandigarh for India Today.
All right, that was Kamaljeet giving us that ground report. She also joins us live right there. Kamaljeet, that building falling like a pack of cards. Thankfully, no casualties have been reported. But what really happened? We hear it was vacant for 6 years. Has the owner been pulled up? What's the issue? Kamaljeet, if you can hear me. We're going to try and get Kamaljeet's connection patched, but that's the video that we see there. Terrifying video, and thankfully there's been no casualties, but that building there, we hear, was left vacant for nearly 6 years. So it was given out on rent very recently. Did the owner of that building know it had a fragile structure? What really has happened? Owner, we believe, has noticed cracks in 3 of the main pillars after it was evacuated and keeping the building closed post that. In fact, the building was closed for 6 years and rented out to a company recently. So was it conveyed to the new tenant that this building had cracks already? Was that message clear to them? Was this building very recently occupied? Kamaljeet back with us on the line. Kamaljeet, give us more details on whether the new owner of this building, we hear that this building was given out on rent very recently, was kept shut for 6 years. Was the message conveyed that the building had a very fragile structure, there were issues in the building's pillars?
Well, absolutely. The entire process was in check, and that is when they noticed cracks in some of the main pillars. Now, this is the building that we're trying to show, and now this area, which was earlier stopped for traffic, has now been made open because the building has now come down. So they would be clearing the rubble in some time from now, and I think that will require a due process. But on the side, you can see the barricading which has taken place. So that barricading, but remember, early in the morning, because remember today is a holiday, not many people were around and it's also cold. There were only a few security guards, and also a few tea sellers who were there, and that is when they actually rushed out from this particular spot. Now, there was a warning given, and around 29th of December, this area was actually closed even for traffic because there was some sort of an apprehension that there are cracks developing, that the structure itself is unstable. By the time Chandigarh police wanted to notify this, the DC's office is just a walking distance from here. They had actually cordoned the area on their own as a matter of precaution, and that is what has really worked in favor of Chandigarh administration and Chandigarh police, that they were able to keep at bay any sort of person, even a stray person who could be just walking randomly around this unsafe building. And this is when the structure came falling down. It's a four-story structure building, and remember, this is the iconic Sector 17. So this is where the entire place is now been resumed for traffic of sorts. And what we can tell you is there were fire brigades in the morning. There were a posse of security personnel who were very much present there. But luckily, nobody was really around. Few of the security people did manage to catch it on their mobile phones. And that is how the entire structure crumbling down was before the eyes of the world. But clearly, several of the residents now demanding that the structures, this one is 60 years old, something of similar structure should actually be surveyed to ensure there's no tragedy of sorts. We've seen in distant area, even in Mohali recently, where a full structure building came down, where two of the persons had died. So they don't want a similar tragedy taking place, and that is why all precautions were in check. But luckily, as I mentioned to you, because of the due diligence of Chandigarh police, a tragedy has been averted. The building came down way early at 7 o'clock in the morning, and this is where things really stand. So at this point of time, safety measures, and you can see Chandigarh police deployment still out there. The DC offices are nearby, and this is where they believe this area is now safe to resume traffic, and that's what's been done.
Thanks very much, Kamaljeet. Well, like Kamaljeet says, the local bodies ensured that there were no casualties because they managed to vacate the building, and any of the establishments in the surrounding areas were all asked to remain shut, at least for briefly, until there were checks that were carried out. This building came crashing down as was expected, but they mitigated the damage, thankfully. Thanks very much.